online team sheets. This process replaces manual team sheets that we have used previously. So let's make a start. So first thing you'll need to do is log into COMET. Your club should be able to set you up for that if they haven't already.
All right, good morning everyone. Today we're going to have a look at both player catalogs and manual team sheets. So to do both, first thing you have to do is make sure that your players have gone from entered status to confirmed status. So to do that, you go to players, you go here, confirm registrations, and then anyone that you want to confirm, you just tick on this box here and press confirm. So you won't be able to put anyone into a catalog unless they are confirmed. Okay, so now to put people into catalogs, you go competitions, my competitions, and this is the really important bit. You got two groups here, men's up the top or women's down the bottom. So click on click on the men's, and now make sure you go to this tab here, teams. Don't go down here to any of these other competitions. Go to teams, and a big list of teams are going to come up. So quickest way to find it is just start typing in your team name. Hopefully a list of teams will come up with similar results, and then so as an example, I want to enter a player into this team here. So you have some options along here. Players, really straightforward. Officials, okay, so in every league an official must be on the team sheet or allocated inside COMET. For championship and above, or where we have technical areas, only those people named as an official can be in the technical area. But to add players, you would click on here, and then you would add the particular player into this catalog. So I will search for the player I've just confirmed by typing in a few of the letters of his name, and I can go over here, click on this box and go add selected. You'll notice that down this middle column that doesn't have a heading, these are the number of players you have got in that particular team's catalog. That's just a real visual way to see where you're at in relation to both your registrations and your team numbers. Okay, so now that's how you add player to your catalog. You would do the same thing for a team official. So that could be a coach, assistant coach, a physio, a analyst, but they would have had to have brought the particular club item for your club to take that position. Then you would simply just go in there, and you could then add these people. You can see that these people are head coaches, presidents, team managers, etc., etc. So you could add those into your officials list. Okay, so that's how we add players and staff into your catalogs. Really important that these get done.
So for my example today, I'm going to be using the Post Office Hotel Pahiatua FC. So click on your game as you would have previously. Click on your team as you would have previously. Okay. Previously, all the players would have just popped up down below here, so don't panic. All your players in the catalogue will be here. Just push on that button there, and now hopefully we'll see some players. So what we need to do is everyone needs to have a shirt allocated next to them. And I know that this will be problematic in the social space because sometimes you don't know who's wearing what number. What is critical here, that you do have the right people. Okay, so let's think about that. Just make sure you have the right people. So starting lineup, this SL column, ideally you would have 11 starters. Okay, and this will be your best guess. Anyone after the 11 just needs to be ticked with an L. Ideally you would nominate a goalkeeper, or you actually have to nominate a goalkeeper by putting a tick in the GK column, and if you want to, you can notate a captain by pushing in this column here. Now, you would have pretty much had to do something pretty similar last year, but now all you literally have to do, assuming I've done everything right, is push this button right here. And now this is your online team sheet completed. Yes, you might have more substitutes down below. And so that's it. Now you just have to walk away. After the game, it's pretty easy. So after the game, if you're the home team, within 30 minutes of the game finished, you would come in via your phone or a laptop, press edit here. And this is just the same as last year. Go down here and put a half-time score and a full-time score. Pretty exciting second half there. Press save back up here, just like last year. Okay? And in theory, that is the minimum we require. What we need you to do is, if, as an example, Craig didn't play, you just need to delete him off the team sheet by pressing the rubbish bin. Now, in divisions where we have rolling substitutions, everyone that is on this right-hand side will have been considered to play the match, and that will become very important in relation to grading. Okay? Now, what is optional is keeping the goal scorers. And we will simply ask you to do the following. So if Sam Brown scored a goal, you would put in the minute. So if it's in the first half, just put a time that you think it was in the first half. 20, goal, save. And if you did that each and every week, we would be able to use the online data to determine the golden boot. We will be using the data, and if teams have not entered theirs, it would go to whomever is in the system with the correct amount of data. So that is online team sheets. There'll be some more written communique around that. If you have any issues, please reach out to your operations manager for further assistance.